Hey everybody, so I got a quick welding tool haul from Amazon, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so I just got this box in the mail. I opened it because I couldn't remember what it was or why I had a box in the mail. So this is I ordered from a affiliate link from Brandon Lund. I'll put a link up here for Brandon Lund's channel. He's a great guy. I needed some particulate masks that are friendly for welding helmets. So I picked these up. He uses them all the time. I'm just going to move the box. I'm going to just take them out of the box. So I ordered 2 of them from him. They are 3M, part number 6291/07002. They do say on the bottom used before 04/2024. That one does, and this one says 04/2024. It is also 6291/07002. I'm gonna open one of these up. I'll also I'll show you guys the other mask that I have. It does come with some information. So here is the mask, right here, and very nicely sealed filters. And the filter, particulate filter P100. It is 2091/07000. These little grooves. And get them on. There it goes. And you just lock them into place. So this is going to be the quick look as well as the unboxing. So that's it right there. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Like that. And I'm going to be right back. I'm going to go get my welding mask. It doesn't fit behind this welding mask very well. Alright, so it does fit behind this mask pretty well. Move it to the side. So, all in all, it's pretty nice, comfortable mask. Not sure why it doesn't fit behind the Vulcan helmet. But it's doable. It's doable with the Vulcan mask. It is a very comfortable mask. That's what it looks like. It might be, I might need to get a different mask. I do know that I've been looking at getting another more expensive mask. This is the other mask that I have. I bought this from Napa. It's an SAS Safety Corp, but you could see the size difference. Let me put the camera back down. You can see the size difference and how much bigger this one is. I use this one a lot for paint. So this one is definitely a crap ton more compact. Basically the exact same centerpiece. All in all, it's a pretty nice mask. It's just a quick little look and unboxing. Put everything back in the bag until I need it. And the reason I bought two of them was because I'm teaching my wife how to weld, because she wants to know how to weld, so I figured I'd grab two of them. They weren't really expensive. I think it was like $30 total. Let me look real quick to make sure. Give you the correct price. It's $23. Oh, it was cheaper than that. They also have a new model, which is $24.93. I paid $17.98 a piece. So as soon as I bought 2 of these, it went up to $23. $17.98 is what I paid. Now they're $23, so it's interesting how they went up in price. Remarkably comfortable, soft, lightweight face piece. Easy to adjust head straps, remove filters. Be replaced with a NUSHA approved 3M filter and cartridges. I'm not going to read everything in it. I could always put the Amazon link down below if you guys want to go check it out. I don't want to make this video any longer than it already is. It's about 11 minutes, so I just figured I'd show you. You know, they're nice masks. Maybe soon, if anybody, let me know down below. Would you guys like to see me teaching my wife how to weld? What would you, is that something you guys would be interested in me recording? Let me know. I appreciate your guys' time. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.